giant cutting this tree down it.
Where is cutting this tree down?
Because there is a giant coming down.
Oh, we didn't say so. What are you doing with that tree?
I am cutting it down.
But why are you cutting it down?
Because there is a giant chasing me.
Oh, do you mean that giant?
Oh no, I'm so late. There is only a way to count this tree down it faster.
Ha 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 ha. Did you really think escape me? I am bigger than you and faster than you. And no, you cannot escape me.
Oh no, I am trouble.
Wait, there is a way you can be faster than the giant.
We have a product that allow you to cut the tree down before the giant reaches the bottom.
It is called laser chainsaw.
It's amazing. Can cut through the tree in a matter of seconds.
Can I try it?
Yes,
we.
It is amazing. It is so fast and it works great.
Own laser station today.
Call 628-725-990. That is 628-725-990.
Excuse me, do you have permission to cut down this tree? I need to see that permission now, and when I say now, and I mean now. You are destroying nature. Where will my friend the wolf live? Don't call that phone number and order your chainsaw now.